Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to air layer this Monstera adansonii or monkey mask. If you're already excited to see this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So we're going to air layer this Monstera monkey mask. What air layering is precisely is that you're going to let the roots grow from the nodes into a bag of sphagnum moss or perlite or a mix of sphagnum moss and perlite. So why we are going to do this? Because in this way the plant will still get all its water and nutrients from the potting mixture that is in, but also will grow these roots from the nodes, and you're just going to force it basically to let it root in something. Well, so you need a Monstera for this, you need something to attach it, and you need a bag of sphagnum moss. And what you're going to do is you just put these growing points, well here you see they are already growing in a kind of way, but you're going to put them in the wet sphagnum moss, and in that way it can grow the roots. What I'm doing here is putting the bag with sphagnum moss around the place where the roots start growing. I use some wire to attach it to the plant. Make sure the bag does not fall off your plant, because that will be a problem. I attach the bag not only on the plant but also on the moss pole for some extra support. The bag is quite light, but make sure you don't harm your plant. Secure it tightly, but leave a hole so you can water the sphagnum moss. So, around 2.5 weeks later, we see this on the plant. It has grown some big roots all the way up until the end of the bag. You can see the roots all the way have grown all the way through the sphagnum moss to the end of the bag. Yeah, so I'm going to take the bag off now. So it has made 3 big roots coming from 3 growth spots, and there is another one here, but it didn't grow as big as the rest. So I'm quite happy with this result, and I'm going to cut a bit under the roots. So it's off. I have a beautiful cutting here. There are 2 things that I can do. It's either make one plant out of this and put it like this in a pot with some potting mixture that I especially made for this plant, or I can further cut up this cutting. And I think that is what I'm going to do. Yeah, I'm going to make 2 plants out of this, and then I will put it in potting mixture. I will show you. Here I'm deciding where I'm going to cut it. Of course, you have to make sure that on each part at least 1 root is available. So I'm cutting it right in the middle. Each part has 2 roots. I'm going to put these cuttings into a pot with a mixture that I've made myself. The potting mixture contains of potting soil, cocoa peat, perlite and bark. Thank you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!